In the world of mapping and surveying, professionals often face challenges that require innovative solutions, whether it's navigating through busy urban areas or needing to capture every intricate detail of your project. Traditional methods can sometimes fall short. Introducing the TrueView dual-purpose mobile mapping and drone LiDAR systems by GeoCue. Engineered for versatility, these state-of-the-art sensors offer the best of both worlds, allowing you to recreate your world with unprecedented accuracy. With TrueView, you're not just choosing a LiDAR system, you're opting for a dual LiDAR technology. Whether up in the air with drone LiDAR or on the streets with mobile mapping, TrueView adapts to your project's needs, offering multiple perspectives with greater detail. Our lineup, now including multiple mapping capability via an easy-to-integrate vehicle mount, ensures flexibility in the field like never before. Choose the package that best suits your needs. GeoCue has tailored solutions to meet the demands of any project. The basic package gets you started with what you need for mobile mapping. The Pro package is perfect for customers who have a mapping workflow and are ready to go. And the Expert Mobile Mapping Kit is designed for customers having strong experience with mobile mapping workflow and Regal software. Easy to set up, intuitive use, and the seamless integration of aerial or ground data collection make our dual-purpose sensors the go-to solution for professionals looking to elevate their project outcomes. Choose TrueView 3D imaging systems for unmatched detail, efficiency, and versatility. Ready to transform the way you map and survey? TrueView dual-purpose mobile mapping and drone LiDAR systems. The best of both worlds to recreate your world. Visit geoque.com today and get in touch with one of our LiDAR experts.